this first property that we see here sold for $16,431. Now, if we're looking at it, this is one that is a home that also had interior images of it. So there are more images even than what we're showing here.
Yeah. Well, and this home needs some work, but I think it has, great bones. This is a property I would have been more than happy to pay $16,000 for, and we can see it has 4-bedroom, says 4-bath. Maybe it's 3, maybe it's 4. It's about 2,000 square feet. But from the interior, we can see that there's certain things. You can see where they started tearing out a wall. They were probably trying to open up that room. And there's some windows that need to be replaced. But overall, we're talking about carpet, paint, some windows, and we've really got a pretty nice home here, which is, I imagine it's probably, like a modular home, of sort. But you can see that it's built on a foundation, and it might even have, a basement. I can't tell there.
What's nice about it is that, it's relatively new. It's also going to require a limited amount of work. In other words, the stuff that you are going to do on it is going to be pretty basic stuff with sheetrock, with paint and carpet and stuff like that.
Well, let's say you put another $15,000 into it, maybe even $20,000, you're into it $35,000. I think that the market value is going to be higher than $95,000, but look at that rent estimate.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
$1,900. Now, even if it's not that, if it's $1,500 a month, how quickly is that going to pay it off if you're into this property $30,000?
Yeah. Yeah,
really.
really.
you're gonna pay it pretty quickly, and you're gonna have a profitable cash flowing property. Yeah, this is one of my more favorite deals because you can really look at the interior, and even though that front room might look a little bit scary, really a lot of it's ready just to have.
Well, it's all dry. If anything, it looks like it's been kind of cleared. Parts of walls have been knocked down and stuff. But
somebody was in the process of going through and doing some kind of rehab on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.